Presidential assistance to farmers, fisherfolk, and families is the highlight film segment to the full-length feature called the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair, government's assistance event on steroids with much more in cash, in-kind gifts, services, and training programs to give away. And the people of Surigao del Sur are all eager and excited when the big roadshow events hits the town, as our Mela Les Moras reports.
Preparations are now in full swing at the De La Salle John Bosco College in Bislig City, Surigao del Sur for the launching of the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair tomorrow. During the final coordination meeting, spearheaded by the BPSF National Secretariat, together with the local government and various participating national government agencies, the authorities finalized the game plan for tomorrow's big event. House Speaker Martin Romualdez will lead the BPSF launching upon the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair aims to bring various forms of assistance, services, and government programs closer to the people. Based on the data released by the BPSF National Secretariat, almost 600 million pesos worth of aid and programs is expected to be delivered and given out in the caravan. In an interview with PTV, House Deputy Secretary General Ponyong Gabonada, who also leads the BPSF National Secretariat, said this will be one of the biggest caravans to date.
Isipin nyo na siya na para siyang mall, na lahat ng pangangailangan nyo sa gobyerno ay nandito, lahat ng ahensya, nandito ang LTO, nandito ang PRC. Kung nahihirapan kayo magpa-schedule sa mga PRC license renewal ninyo, pumunta kayo dito, wala pang isang oras, may lisensya na kayo. Meron tayong LTO, may DA, may patupad, payout. Meron tayo, majority of which, meron tayong 60,000 beneficiaries ng AIX and AKAP dito sa Surigao del Sur.
He is encouraging more Surigaonons to participate in the event. Gabonada also issued this reminder.
Well, of course, kailangan nating magparehistro sa Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Portal. Kung wala naman kayong cellphone, pumunta lang po kayo dito. Hindi kami mamimigay ng cellphone. Kundi, tutulungan namin kayo magparehistro sa ating portal para maka-avail kayo ng mga serbisyo. Of course, kung kailangan magdala ng pagkain para hindi magutom, pero ang host po natin ay naghanda din ng mga pagkain para sa ating mga beneficiaries.
Apart from aid and services, there will also be a free concert tomorrow night, especially for Surigaonons.
Meron po kaming tinatawag na pagkakaisa concert dahil ang tunay na pagkakaisa lang naman po talaga ang ating paraan sa tunay na pag-unlad ng ating bansa.
Mela Les Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.